हाय एवरीबडी, गुड मॉर्निंग। कई बार ऐसे होता है यू कीप थिंकिंग यू वांट टू मेक समथिंग डिफरेंट, बट व्हाट टू मेक, एवरी स्टेट हैज़ अ डिफरेंट स्पेशलिटी। दिस इज़ हरे मटरों का निमोना। दिस इज़ अ स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द नॉर्थ, दैट इज़ यूपी साइड। सो लेट अस मेक हरे मटरों का निमोना। Now the ingredients that I require for hare matar ka nimona are, naturally I need peas. Peas are very nutritious, very healthy. Fresh peas contain vitamin B, contain vitamin A, and fiber भी हो जाता है because I'm going to add a few potatoes, tomatoes and all those things. So it is going to be a very nutritious, healthy vegetable which even diabetics, Weight Watchers as well as heart patients can also have, since we are going to use very little oil and we will be using only mustard oil. This dish is made in UP with mustard oil. You can use ghee or oil if you want, if you are allergic to mustard, but it is mainly made, the traditional way is made in mustard oil. The ingredients I require are peas. Then I need potato. I have taken only one potato and I have cut it into small cubes, peeled and cut it. Then I need green coriander leaves. Then tomatoes 3. I need a few pieces of garlic and a small piece of ginger. And for the spices I require jeera, shahi jeera I like to use. That gives more aroma. Then I have mixed all the spices here. इसके अंदर है, देयर इज सॉल्ट हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ हल्दी, हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ जीरा पाउडर, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ धनिया पाउडर, रेड चिली पाउडर एज पर टेस्ट, हींग आई हैव यूज्ड. हींग you have to see if it is very pure, you add a pinch. If it is the normal one that you get in the market, then you can add a little more. Then later on I will require garam masala. So now let us begin with the process of making hare mataron ka nimona. First of all, let us grind to paste the 3 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, coriander seeds, and you can add a little green chilies if you want. It is optional. I have removed the masala. Now in the same jar I will grind half the peas that I have. I will grind these peas coarsely and half I have left aside. चलो जी, अब निमोना बनाएं. So first of all, let us take a cooker and let's add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to this and heat it up until the smoke comes out. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it heat up nicely so that all the smell gets out of it, the mustard smell. Then I will add little salt to check, and then we will fry the potatoes first. Yes, it is done. So now let us fry the potatoes. Let them brown nicely, then I'll remove them. Remove the potatoes. Now let us add jeera to the same oil. After adding jeera, add the wet masala, that is the tomato, ginger, garlic, coriander and green chili. To this I can add the masala, salt and all that also, and then roast it until it turns nice and brown, starts leaving out oil and gives good aroma. Now let us add the peas that we have ground in the mixer, half of them, and roast these with the masala. Roast the masala along with the peas on slow flame for some time until they get roasted nicely. Now let us add the remaining peas and the potatoes also. It is roasted. Now let us add a glass of water and give it two whistles. Whistles, my nimona is ready to eat, to serve. Serve it with puri. It tastes very good with puri or with steamed rice or with lachha paratha or multi-grain jawar bajra ki roti. Thank you for watching my video. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do like, share, comment on my video. Let me know how it is, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself.